Hey there, it's Karen from drkarenpetty.com, and in this tutorial I want to talk about how we can use the announcements feature in Canvas to make connections with our youngest learners, to present things that are concept related and skill building. So come along and let's see how I did this. I'm looking at an announcements page, and as you can see there's a brief introduction, and then I'm asking that the student click on the video. So let's try that. Hello wonderful first graders. This week we are learning some awesome spelling words that we use all of the time when we talk and that we use when we read. So I want you to place your finger on the first word where the pink arrow is pointing. I'm going to say the word and then I'll make a sentence with it. Ready? Let's get started. Are. Where are they going? You. What are you doing? The dog has fleas. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there, but I think you get the idea of how it would be wonderful for them to hear your voice and for you to actually have a presence in their learning while they are learning from a distance. You know, there are other things that I could have done. I probably should have gone over each word, spelled out the word for them, R-A-R-E-U-Y-O-U, and so on. And I'm sure you can think of other things that could be done as well. But this is just an idea of making that strong, or making and keeping that strong connection with our students. Because I sit on the other side also, and I see children who are struggling to keep up with their work, to stay connected. And the more we can do where they hear our voices, they see our faces, the better off they are, their parents are, and we are. So that's an idea for how to present a video in order to have a teaching concept, but through the announcements area. It's that first thing that they can see. It's that link from, that strongest link, I think, from us to them. Now I want to show you what I did next. I didn't just stop there. I think that introducing the words is something that could be done on maybe Sunday night or Monday. I'm not asking you to work on Sunday, but on Monday. And then later on in the week, you may want to give a practice test. Now I've created, back to announcements. I'm in the wrong place. Back to announcements. I created a spelling test that I would give them. And it looks very similar to the one that they got earlier in the week, and that's what I want. I want them to have some consistency. But this is the spelling test. It's time to take your spelling test. Click below. That's the only introduction that I need to give. And then when I click on it, it's going to take me to an assignments area where I have made an in-house video. Now, the first video that I did on our first announcement screen, I made in YouTube. But for this one, I just made me. It was very impromptu. I made me recording it. And that's what would be so important for your students, to have your face there giving them their test. They can hear your voice and see your face as they're taking their spelling test. I would probably do a test midweek, and then I would send it out on Friday or whenever you have your spelling test from your class. But I wouldn't just stop with introducing. I would continue and give my spelling test in this way. Okay, so that's where I was going with that. And in closing, just thanks for watching, and I want to ask that you be sure to check out my online school for more super duper early childhood teacher training that is Texas Education Agency approved and comes with a certificate. And also be sure to like and subscribe. I put out one video at least every week, and I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.